If you are on a journey to weight loss, smoothies can be a great addition to your weight loss regime, as it quench both your thirst and hunger and keep you from consuming more calories than the ones you need. By combining the right ingredients, you can create smoothies that taste great and help you drop pounds. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 delicious smoothie recipes for weight loss that will take you less than a few minutes to make, which you can easily fit into your busy lifestyle. So, a way to get just the right amount of calories, along with good-for-you vitamins and nutrients, is to drink fruit and veggie smoothies. They can provide you with a good source of energy that is slow-releasing and can boost metabolism so you shed extra pounds faster. I've personally tried many smoothie recipes, but I always find myself coming back to these, as they are delicious, low-calorie, and nutrient-dense. The first recipe I'm about to give you is a sweet spinach smoothie with a nice combo of iron and nutrient-rich spinach and fruits of medium sweetness, like pears and grapes. To make it, you will need 6 ounces of low-fat Greek yogurt, 2 cups of spinach leaves, 1 ripe pear, 15 white or red grapes without seeds, 2 tablespoons of chopped avocado, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. Put all these in the blender, mix until smooth, and serve. You should end up with a bright green color, depending on how ripe your fruits and veggies are. The second recipe is an antioxidant-rich smoothie that is fill-in and can be used as a small meal replacement. You will need 1 cup of green tea, 1 cup of mango chunks, half of a medium avocado, 1 cup of spinach leaves, a dash of sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of honey or agave syrup to sweeten everything up. Blend for a few seconds until everything looks nice and smooth, and serve. Third recipe, which is utterly delicious, is a peaches and cream oatmeal smoothie. Of course, you are going to ditch heavy cream on this and add low-fat Greek yogurt instead. All you need is 1 cup of frozen peach slices, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of oatmeal, 1 cup of almond milk, and optionally a few drops of sweetener. Blend these together until you get a creamy, pale orange smoothie. Another good variation of that is also filling and delicious is to substitute the peaches with 1 banana or frozen banana chunks and add some cinnamon to the mix. Finally, an easy recipe that is totally refreshing and balanced is to blend 1 banana with 1/2 cup of strawberries, 1 cup of raw spinach, and 1/2 cup of almond or coconut milk. You know whatever diets you take part in should never be a quick fix. A healthy lifestyle is the best option for losing weight, and adding smoothies in is definitely a great idea.